a tower, reruns at 11 o'clock. 2 lab rats pacing, sharpening plots. One's got a plan with a globe and a grin. The other's just happy to be in the spin. They mapped out the night, every lever and scheme. Blueprints for chaos, domination dreams. But the network clock ticks, the sponsor sides. Make it funny, boys, no conquering the night. Whiteboard says world, but the script says joke. Evil monologue neatly trimmed for the folks. They were gonna take over the world, no doubt. But the episode fades and the credits roll out. 30 minutes of madness, then back to the cage. A half-hour distraction, dressed up as a stage. Yeah, they were ready for crowns, flags unfurled. But instead we got laughs, not the end of the world. Brains got the mind of a twisted CEO. Pinkies asking questions nobody knows. Between merge breaks and a laugh track cue. The master plan's watered down, safe for you. Every night starts strong with a villainous spark, ends with a punchline, reset to the dark. Continuity lost, revolution stalled, because status quo's king in a cartoon sprawl. Genius restrained by a time slot wall. Same thing tomorrow, the executives call. They were gonna take over the world, it's true. Had the brains, had the will, had the dystopias too. But the runtime's a leash, and a leash is tight, so the empire waits for another night. Yeah, destiny paused, plans unfurled for a half-hour distraction. Not ruling the world. Somewhere between slapstick and satire lies a manifesto choking on satire. If they ever broke free of the laugh per minute, we'd be living in Act 1, 5 minutes in it. So here's to the rats who could have been kings, undone by ad breaks and catchy things. A lab-made myth with a self-aware grin, trapped in a loop they can't ever win. They were gonna take over the world someday, but the schedule said no, so it faded to gray. Brains in a jar, dreams tightly curled, sacrifice clean for a half-hour world. Yeah, history waits, plans on hold while we change the channel and grow. Same rat, same night, same doom refrain. Now what shall we do but see you again?